Want to know how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here, and you should be under the main menu. So once you're in the main menu, on the top right side it will be saying settings. So it should be like the gear icon right here, as you can see. So you can just simply select it. So now once you've selected the gear icon, here by default it should be under video. So make sure you're under gameplay right here, just simply select it. Now scroll all the way down and on the bottom you should be seeing Do Not Disturb. So you can just simply enable it right here. So once you've enabled it, no friends would be able to invite you to any games or to any party, which helps you a lot if you're playing solo and if you want no disturbance in the game. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.